And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going straight to our next speaker for today. Celebrate Dr. Abimbola.
What drove you to start this business? Was it because you didn't want to answer to anybody? Or did you start the business because you noticed a gap in the market and you had an idea, a vision, an innovation that could fill that gap? When you begin to look at the big picture, where do we want to go from here? There must be something that drove it, that started the hustle. The business and the founder are the same thing. When people talk about the business, it's you they're talking about. But here we say you can't personally quality control everything. You're beginning to think of the business beyond you and building systems and structure that can outlive you and that you can walk away. There must be a structure in place. A structure that is backed up by everything that defends it and keeps it in a straight ruler. To scale, you must lead strategically, not just operate hard.